Hi everyone, it's Donna. And oh man, did I just open Pandora's box with my quilting? I think I did. So let me explain for a minute. I made these, they're almost 6x6. I was just kind of quickly doing it. But I scanned them in to scan and cut, and then I took them over to the PC, and then I took those images and I brought them into EQ8. And there was a block that I was thinking about making with these 4 fabrics. So I dropped the fabrics in the way that I thought it would look good. And it it looked like crap. I mean, honestly, and I was kind of shocked. I thought, man, that's going to be a beautiful pattern. And thankfully, I didn't waste enough fabric for 2 or 3 blocks to figure it out. But I ended up switching some of the colors around, or some of the fabrics around in the quilt block, and I came up with something that I actually like. But I don't know. I think it might be my Pandora's box next that I'm going to go down. So, I mean, I was playing with some Christmas fabrics the other day. I had a small little project, and I thought, I have a boatload of Christmas fabrics that are just sitting over there. And if I want to design some appliques or quilts or something like that, it's going to be a lot easier if I have them scanned in. Now, you know, what's the smallest amount that I will scan a fabric in for? I don't know. Is it going to be a half yard, a 1 yard? I don't know. I doubt very seriously if I am going to go down to a fat quarter, because I don't know if I don't have that much time left. I mean, as it is, I'm gonna have a lot of scanning to do, but I will be able to categorize it the way I want to, and I will be able to design the quilts and see how they're going to turn out before I make that initial cut. I mean, isn't that Pandora's box? Hey, I might never need to sew again if I can make beautiful quilts in EQ8. Kidding, of course, because I had to buy beautiful fabric, right? Anyway, it's a new squirrel for me to go down. Hope you are having a fabulous day. Talk to you later. Bye.